So this product is our Powerwall series, the PW51200. That means this is 51.2 volts capacity at 200 ampere hour, and this can generate up to 10 kilowatts hour of energy. So you can use it for various applications, including residential and commercial residential buildings. With this one, you have the same things, like you have all the communication protocols here. If you can see on this side, you can have the alarm signals, you have the state of charge. This can be connected up to 16 years with the standard model, and you can connect up to multiple communications. This model in particular is 10 kilowatt hour. We do have the 5 kilowatt hour model as well, and I also showed you the 25.6 kilowatt hour, sorry, 2.56 kilowatt hour model. So with these models, there are various type of applications, including home energy storage and commercial energy storage. We do make big batteries as well, so you can just put in your inquiry to ask whatever type of battery do you need. Whichever battery you need, we can make those batteries, because we are in the market for more than 10 years now, and we have developed a strong uh, clientele all over the world. Our clientele in the world, we serve in Australia, we serve in North America, we serve in Europe, we serve in Asia, and we also serve in Africa. So whatever type of market that you have targeted is, we can deliver the batteries there. We can make customized solutions based on the audience segment of that market. So if the audience is price sensitive, we can develop a solution for you that is price is like price affordable solution. So those solutions can also be developed. Our primary goal is to provide you with the best cells, with the best BMS, and with the best manufacturing capabilities that we offer at our factory. This model has a design life of 20 years, and we are giving a 10-year of warranty on this model. So a 10-year of warranty on this model will mean that once you buy this, you can use it for 20 years with a backup warranty of 10 years. So in 10 years, we can do your replacements, or we can also do repairs for you. That entirely depends upon the condition of the batteries and the condition and the usage by the customers. So for our clients, we do NDAs, we do non-disclosure agreements, we do sign contracts for long-term business partnerships. So whatever type of agreement that you want to have with us, you can just go to our website, you can fill in the inquiry form, and one of our sales representative will basically contact you, and we can go from there, we can move forward from there. This is our company, and we stand by our company, and we stand with pride.